Hello friends, it's Running Kimono, and we're looking at the Walgreens preview for the week of the 14th to the 20th. First piece of business, if you go to your digital coupons folder at the very top, I got this, I think, on Thursday morning, which is $5 back when you spend $20. A couple rules. It is valid from the 14th to the 20th only. It is of a one-time use, so if it's still lingering around in your account, it's a one and done. Do not use any store, register rewards, or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance because it will lessen the booster, so it'll mess things up. For the balance, use your debit, credit card, or bills, and that should work. So check if you might have one because these things are a gift. Okay, so looking at the deals of the week, we have the 2 for $5 for Purex, other odds and ends that are quite fantastic. The $5 Scott with a $1.25 IVC, dropping it down to $3.75. A whole bunch of this and that, but specifically for the next 4 breakdowns, we're going to look at 4 deals that are producing a $5 register reward. Now, just word to the wise, if you want to participate in all 4 deals, you'll have to do it in 4 separate transactions to get that register reward to print for you the 4 times. It will only print once per transaction. So the first deal that we're going to look at involves the Olay or Old Spice body wash. You pick. Earn a $5 reward when you buy 3. Plus, we have a digital coupon, which is a 5 off of 3. Okay, looking at the mathematics for this, 3 of those body washes is $19.47. Subtracting that 5 off of 3 digital, you're paying $14.47 out of pocket, getting back a $5 reward, making it $9.47 for the 3 or $3.15 per body wash. If you're doing this deal on its own without a booster, yes, you absolutely can use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn that reward. That will work. The next deal that we're going to look at is the Tresemme. We're going to grab 3 of these for $15. And just to answer a quick question, the third one will ring up for $5, not $5.49. It's just their weird sales things, how it works there. We have a 4 off of 2 digital, so looking at this, grabbing 3 of those shampoos for $15 on the nose, subtracting that 4 off of 2 digital, you're paying $11, getting back a $5 reward, making it $6 for the 3 or $2 per shampoo. Again, if you're doing this deal without a booster, yes, you absolutely can use Walgreens cash spend it to earn that register reward. So what a great deal for some inexpensive Tresemme. Photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app as well with this purchase. Okay, now we're looking at some super fancy deodorant. 2 for $12. We have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon plus buy 3, get that $5 reward. So buying 3 secret deodorants, that's $18 on the nose. Subtracting that 5 off of 3 digital, you're paying $13 out of pocket, getting back a $5 reward, making it $8 for the 3 or $2.66 per deodorant. It is okay to use a bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance if you're doing this without a booster. I don't know if you're anything like me, but I like to have these even in my purses in the hot summer months. Really great to have extras. Okay, the last little dealio that we're going to look at, and if we get more generous digital coupons for Crest or Oral-B, that would be really fantastic. I know Oral-B had a rebate for the brushes, but I think it's going to be expiring by Sunday. But definitely check IBOTTA if there might be some sort of rebate. It's always worth checking. Grabbing 3 of these Crests for $9 on the nose. We have a $2 digital. You're paying $7 out of pocket, getting back a $5 reward, making it $2 for the 3 or 66 cents per tube. If you're doing this deal without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance to earn your register reward. I'm not too fancy about this because I don't like paying for toothpaste because this is an item we get for free all the time, especially with Colgate the last couple of months. But I mean, if you really are in desperate need and this is your favorite thing in the whole world, it is not the worst dealio. Okay, now we have $5.49 for various P&G products, and then earn a $5 reward when you buy 4. Toilet paper is in fact included along with Tide and other pieces of magic. Now, unfortunately, I can't find any digital coupons to go with, but that is just, one of life's many mysteries. Maybe something will show up on Sunday morning. We're going to use this specific booster of earn 5 when you spend 20. Why not? And if you pick up 4 of those products, you're getting close to that $20 mark. So let's just grab 4 Tides for $21.96. We have our booster loaded, and with our debit card, we're going to pay down that balance. You're earning back a $5 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash. So that's $10 back, making it $11.96 for the 4 or $2.99 per Tide. Really good price. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards as you're using that booster with this promotion. It's just a quick deal to get some of these Tide products on the cheap, and $2.99 is not a bad price. I would love to see some digital coupons as well. Now this deal is going to be really fantastic, but I'm going to test it out on Sunday, so if you want to wait for me, I will have more definitive info for you. But I want to put this one in your back pocket because I think it's going to be really fantastic. BOGO 50% off, earn $3 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. There's a brick of deodorant, like the stick, plus Axe is there in that photo. I hate to be a photo person. If you go to the site, spend $20, earn $5 Walgreens cash reward. So that's there right there for the Axe. Plus the buy one, get one 50% off, which I think is a monthly promotion for this product, along with the spend 20, earn back 5. So with the buy 2, get $3 back, this is looking and smelling like a double dip. But hang on to your hat, guys. If you go over to IBOTTA, for those bricks of deodorant, we're getting $2 back for each. So double, triple check that in your Walgreens, load this one at the very least so you have it. So we unfortunately don't have any digital coupons, but we have this guy. So I think you can see what I'm trying to line up here. I'm trying to get the most out of our money. Grabbing 4 of those deodorants on a BOGO 50% off. That's $22.47. I have my booster loaded, which is 5 back when you spend 20. With my debit card, I'll pay that full amount of $22.47. I'm getting back $10 in Walgreens cash. 5 for the booster, and then 5 for spending 20 on beauty products. Plus, I'm getting another $6 back in Walgreens cash. 3 for every 2. Remember that? Plus, we're going to make that $2 submission to IBOTTA. 2 times 4 is 8. So it makes this free plus a $1.53 money maker. Again, I'm going to test this one on Sunday, so just wait for me. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, or it will mess everything up. If you go over to your Fetch Rewards app, this is expiring today, but that freaking brick of Axe is there, and it's $1.25 back for each, which is really fantastic. If they give us an extension, this will be an even bigger money maker. We'll have to double, triple check on Sunday if this rebate is still there. Now, personal care, is that including body wash? We're not going to know till Sunday morning. So what really has me interested about that, is it deodorant only, or what are they talking about? Because what is it under the umbrella of personal care? If body wash is in fact included in this, we do have this very generous 6 off of 2, so we'll have to wait and see what the parameters of this is, but possibly we might get some really inexpensive body wash too, but just throw this one in your back pocket. Paper deal of the week, $4.99 for Kleenex, Viva, Cottonelle paper products, all these good items, so that is a really inexpensive price. I mean, use some Walgreens cash or store register rewards. I mean, this is the cat's meow of paper products, I think. Just my humble opinion. I did see this on the Shopkick rebate app. 500 points back for a Cottonelle dry bath tissue, which is kind of bizarre. So if that works with a little 4-pack of Cottonelle, that would give you $2 back, dropping it down to $2.99. But we won't know till Sunday how this really shakes out. Now, also, if you wanted to just grab 2, like a mix of Viva Cottonelle, whatever you want, that's $9.98 at $4.99 a pop. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay the tax. Photograph that receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. It's part of their catalog. Yes, you will get back a lot of points for that purchase. So if your store, I know some like Texas and Michigan, you can get like $9.98 and then plus the tax, use the Walgreens cash. If you can swing this, by all means, because it's just a really fabulous deal to get some inexpensive paper products, and it doesn't expire, so yes, you can stock up on these products. Okay, we have the Soft Soap Irish Spring, $5 reward when you spend 20, and they're $5 a pop. So then are we going to get digital coupons for this? Yay or nay? It's unknown at this time, but say let's grab 4 of these products, whatever your favorite is. And if you have this booster, let's use it in a deal if you want to do a little stock up on some cheap body wash. So you would grab 4 of them for $20 on the nose, have your booster loaded, pay that $20 with your debit card. Of course, check for digital coupons on Sunday morning. Then you're getting back $10 in Walgreens cash, 5 for the booster, and then 5 for buying 4 of these products, or $20 of these products. So it makes it $10 for the 4, or $2.50 per body wash. Remember not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash as you're using that booster, and it has a million billion rules to it. Okay, for a lot of you home chefs, so you're going to love this next little deal. It's BOGO free on the complete home bags. I know that a lot of you, because I do read the comments, the last time this came around, because this has been like not often they've been putting this out. They used to have a buy one get two for free, but they got rid of that, and then they brought this back about a month ago. But a lot of people were clearing like the gallon bags and the larger sizes. So if your store restocked in these, this is an opportunity for you to get the bags on a buy one get one free promotion. So it's usually $2.99 for the first, the second one's free. So it shakes it out to, I think, like $1.49 per box. And let's take a quick peek at some honorable mentions. Okay, so I talked about this at the top of the video, but again, 2 for $5 for the Purex laundry care. So if you have one of those stupid $5 store register rewards from some of those deals of the week, and you just want to get like 2 Purexes or 2 of the little pods, I mean, I think this is a pretty sensible and reasonable deal. It's nice. Purex is a good detergent. And then we have 49 cents for various school supplies. So if you are stocking up for back to school, this might be something to purchase. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.